Guys, it has been a tough few weeks in crypto with a lot of accounts getting destroyed. But did you see the liquidity that poured into crypto? We have had a death wick. This wick was about 50% to the downside and then a 50% move up in a day. So quick, it was uncanny. Like no other. We haven't seen anything like this in basically the history of crypto. So it was quite a historic day. Now, I'm going to flip to the screen and show you while I'm still bullish in Bitcoin and where I think some of the metaverse cryptocurrencies are heading in the short term. So stay tuned, guys, and be ready to pounce on all of these great opportunities that is about to happen in the markets. That is not financial advice, because I am not a financial advisor. If you hadn't guessed it already, I am just a humble trader. So, trader slash investor right now. So I have flipped into cryptocurrency. I used to be a day trader. Now I invest and day trade cryptocurrency. So I've got a background in finance, and I'm here to tell you that the bull run is not over yet. I've got a few metaverse plays here. We have Mana, Sandbox, PYR, and BLOK. Mana coming in at 325. We are going to have a look at the chart. It is currently in a descending wedge pattern, which has a breakout percentage of 63% of the time and a breakout target of $4.85. Now, if I'm explaining upside, I must explain downside. The downside for this current pattern is $1.38, but I wouldn't worry, guys, because we have had a huge wick here already. That's a huge move down, and we have had billions of liquidations pushing the price higher that very day. So do I think it's going to come down into the one territory? No. Do I think it may come down to, say, 290, 280 before bouncing back? Yes, I believe that's probably the most likely scenario. So price target for Mana, in my opinion, is that 485 area. Having a look at Sandbox, it's roughly the same thing. It's in a more narrow descending wedge with the breakout target of 679. So $1.44 from where we are now, and the breakdown target of 261. Do I think it's going to get there? No, because right back here we had a huge wick. Same thing, guys. We got a lot of liquidations that day that brought it back up to the pattern and validating the pattern, so we can go and proceed higher, pushing through the 21 moving average to 679. All of these patterns, by the way, they tend to break about 70% of the way through the pattern. PYR, another descending wedge. Now this has gone 70% of the way through the pattern, so it could break any time. But I've just put them at the end just to come up with a better average price target, which is 36.89 for this descending wedge, and the downside is 926. Now for BLOK, we don't have a descending wedge pattern on this chart, but what we do potentially have, and this is only potential, guys, is a W pattern with the breakout target of 0.21 cents. That's a 3x for BLOK. Check out the chart for BLOK. Check out the chart for PYR. I think these are solid cryptos to get into right now. End of the video, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. It would really help me out, and it would make me sleep easier at night, and when I wake up in the morning it will make me feel happy. So seeing I've got one more subscriber added to my channel, that would be dope. So please enter a comment down below saying what metaverse stock you are currently in. I would really like to know. Peace out.